Hello and welcome back to our channel Oracle CPQ Gurus. I hope you are doing well. And today we are going to discuss the continuation of the Oracle CPQ with a smart AI, how we can able to leverage our some automations. So let me go through that. So before that, I want to say something to them. Thanks to each and everyone, we have reached the 158 subscribers. After this video, I hope the our community will make the 200 subscribers. I want to thank each and every people who are giving me the support, and I was getting the message in the LinkedIn also. Thanks for the everyone. I will continue the series with the utmost good videos on the series. So before going to the topic, I want to discuss that this is our Oracle CP Gurus community. Thanks to everyone. Again, we have reached the 400 members successfully in the group. Already the 400 people joined in the group. So I just wanted to say that um, the the almost 3000 people are actively looking at our channel and seeing that. So I hope that these 400 like 400 members will convert into the like 2000 to 3000 people in future. If anyone still not joined our community and our YouTube channel, please join our Oracle CPQ Gurus community. So and subscribe to our channel. So coming to today topic, uh, the for the Oracle CPQ, the Smart File Analyzer. So I was wanted to give you a Smart File Analyzer. So what is the use of it, right? So I just did this for just for uh, to understand how the we can able to leverage the AI. These are the initial phases of demos. So this is the initial phase, right? In the based upon that some feedbacks or some inputs, we can able to make this into the some business solution which will help to the everything. So it is initial stage, right? It's like some it will be work perfectly, but we need to integrate with the real business use case, then it make more sense. So the previously what will happen, right? We have if you want to read any documentations or anything, right, in the PDFs or the quotations, right, you need not to go through the 50 to 100 pages of the document. So in this Oracle CPQ, you will just upload that file, and once you click on that analyzer, you'll get the response and summarization of that what is the document meant. So before now coming to the demo, just let us first we need to create a code. This is my commerce process. I just want to create a code. So in the create a code, right, I already make the setup which is working perfectly. So I'm not going through the each and every step of the setup. I just want to show the how it will work and how we can able to leverage it. So if you see here, there is a tab called Smart File Analysis. In that tab, right, we have the import file attachment, right? You just choose the file and just import the file. So let me import some PDF file, right? It will be some PDF. I was just checking some PDF. Hmm. There is some bill search recommendation application, right? I was just uploading this PDF. So once you upload this PDF, right, just click on that what we can say analyzer. So once we click on that analyzer, right, that file will analyze, and if you see here, right, it has given the summary. What is the document really? This document is like a Oracle Cloud, Google Cloud. I don't need to go to the entire document. It's give me the summary. So the badge was issued on the November and the link of that particular. So this is the summary we got. So you just upload the file and you just click on the analyzer. So this is all about the smart file analyzer. You can upload any file like a PDF, CSV, any kind of file, which the Oracle CPQ might support, right? The those are the files you can add the attachment, and you can click on that analyzer, and then you can get the beautiful summary. This is powered by the with the help of the artificial intelligence. So this is we can directly bring to the CPQ. I was very curious about that, right? In the comment section, someone can personally ping me and they can share their ideas how we can make the much more help with the AI to smart automate the smart business for the user perspective also. Yeah, thank you all. I hope this series was each and every people was love this series. Yeah, let me know in the comments. We can make more videos on the AI and AI agents also. Yeah, thank you all.